2025 GMC Sierra 1500. This pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. You'll also love how it combines comfort and convenience with its lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, navigation, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, 4-wheel drive, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, tinted windows, power driver seat, Bluetooth, keyless start, auto climate control, keyless entry. Come in now. This vehicle is ready for immediate delivery.